Here's how to control iPhone with eyes. Go to your iPhone settings app, and here I'm tapping in general, about phone, and here as you can see currently I'm using iOS 18. So to control your iPhone with your eyes, you have to install iOS 18 or newer version. Okay, now from your iPhone settings app you have to tap on accessibility, and here you have to tap on eye tracking and enable eye tracking. And now you have to set up your eye here. So follow the dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. So you have to complete this process. Once you successfully scanned, now I'm going to my iPhone home screen, and now I'll control my iPhone with my eye. So yeah,